All right, that was 1 can of yellow corn and 1 can of white corn. Now I'm coming in with 2 cans of Rotel, and I am draining all of my cans. Perfect. I have 2 cans of black beans that I washed and drained that we're gonna put right next to our Rotel. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious appetizer. Now I'm gonna come in with 1 small red onion that I diced. Put that right there. Smells so good already. I have some green onions that I diced, all in our aluminum pan. Now I'm coming in with 1 orange bell pepper right in there. This looks absolutely incredible. So we have our corns, our Rotel, our beans, our onions, and our bell pepper. Now I'm gonna sprinkle on my dried cilantro. You can use fresh if you prefer, and we're just gonna do a nice sprinkle. Now, if you are not a cilantro person, you can skip this, but my family all loves cilantro, so that's why I am adding it to my super easy cowboy appetizer. Yummy. Now I have these Sazon seasonings. I'm not sure exactly how to say that, but we're gonna add 2 of these right into our aluminum pan with all those delicious vegetables. Oh, look how vibrant that seasoning is. This is just gonna add all the flavor. And don't worry, we are gonna give it a mix, so that part won't be too, seasoned. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper on top of all of our veggies. I love making this on a hot summer day because it is refreshing and chilled and so quick to put together. I think that's enough pepper. Now, the last thing we're gonna add before we mix this together is our zesty Robusto Italian dressing. We're gonna give that a good mix, and we're using this entire bottle of dressing. Oh my goodness, this is so great for by the pool or if you're going camping. Honestly, it is perfect for summer. So let's really get all of that dressing in there so we can get this mix in. Bring in my large spatula, and it is time to toss everything together. Look at those beautiful colors. Don't they say that the more color on your plate, the healthier it is? I wonder if that's true with this. Either way, I am gonna have no guilt chowing on this because it is gonna be delicious. So let's really make sure we get everything well incorporated. Okay, that is perfectly mixed together. Our cowboy caviar is ready to enjoy. I'm grabbing my Tostito scoops, but you can use whatever chip you like. And we're gonna dig right in to our delicious appetizer caviar. Oh, looks perfect. I'm so excited. That is delicious. Wow. You guys have to try this.